Hey, the mask collector's back. What I have to show you today is not really a toy, not really collectible, so we're going to file this under geeky gadgets. It's an alarm clock that looks sort of like a bomb. This is the Timex Shake and Wake alarm clock. Quite possibly the single most annoying alarm clock on planet Earth. It has multiple phrases. Let's see if I can get it to give you one of them.
Your Honor, like I always say, if the alarm don't quit, up you must get. My client cannot be expected to wake up in these circumstances. They are deplorable, undependable, inexcusable, unreliable, and unquintessential.
When the talking's done, it shakes like crazy. I don't know about you, but I think this is going to be hard to sleep through. So if you are having trouble getting to work on time, getting out of bed, this might be just what you need.
Well, I tell you what, you hit that there snooze button one more time, I'm gonna have to open up a six-pack of whoops, and you know I'm gonna do it too, don't you?
So, until next time, this is the Mask Collector saying,
Nita, you gotta get up.